Good morning. We are on Singapore Airlines business class from Seattle to Singapore. We've got 16 hours ahead of us, but we're excited to share with you why we love this flight and why we would take it again. So come on and enjoy the experience with us.
Check-in at Seattle was smooth, and access to the club lounge in Seattle is included. Then we got priority boarding at the gate. Right away, the crew welcomes you personally and helps you settle in. This flight is on Singapore's A350 with a 1-to-1 business class layout, so every seat has direct aisle access. We had window seats, and on this long-haul flight, they felt roomy and private, with several different areas for storage. Slippers, eye mask, and water bottle are provided with other amenities available by request. A quick note if you're tall, most of the seats have an angled footwell that could be tight for folks over 6 feet. That's not a problem for us. Each seat has a large screen, noise-canceling headphones, and hundreds of movies, though not touchscreen. The remote works fine. I appreciated that the Wi-Fi was free for business class passengers, though Michelle was only able to connect on her phone and not her laptop. What often sets Singapore Airlines apart is the service. The crew was attentive, professional, and warm, addressing us by name and keeping things clean and orderly. On this flight, Singapore offers 2 full meals plus snacks on demand. We pre-ordered our meals using the Book the Cook service, and honestly, these meals are a huge highlight of the trip. After the first meal, the crew will help you turn down your seat into the lie flat configuration with an extra cushion so you can get some rest. We arrived in Singapore feeling decently rested and functional, which isn't always the case after a flight this long. Since our onward flight was part of the same ticket, after spending the night in Singapore, we had access to the Singapore Airlines lounge at Changi Airport before our flight the following day. This was actually our second time flying Singapore Air Business from Seattle to Singapore, and we would absolutely do it again. If you have reward points, the Business Saver fare is a fantastic way to stretch them. Booking this with cash is quite expensive, so we'll leave it up to you if the extra comfort is worth it for your budget.